Okay guys, I recently completed a Game Boy Advance backlight mod and I was using the new shell and new buttons. I chose clear green as the new colored shell and I decided to use the new aftermarket buttons that came in the shell replacement kit, and I chose glass green to provide less scratches, and the AGS-101 screen is in this system and there might be a little dust in the glass lens, and originally the Game Boy Advance system was in fuchsia as the color and the speaker did not work, and I had to replace the speaker to fix it, and the new speaker works great and it works, and I'm just going to test out the buttons just to make sure they work right. L button works, R button works, and all buttons should work fine. See ya.